Okay, so we have our light sensor reading, and we have a threshold value, which is some number. I'm going to use 30 because that was the value I found in the last video. We want to see if the reading is bigger than the threshold or not. We can write this in math symbols by saying that the reading is greater than our threshold value. If we write this in code, it's what's called an expression. An expression is like a formula that you can use to calculate a value. Calculating a value is called evaluating the expression. When Arduino sees an expression, it will evaluate it and use the value instead of the expression when it's running the code. Expressions are made up of operators and operands. In this expression, this is the operator and these are the operands. This expression is called a Boolean expression. It evaluates to true or false. You already know about another type of expression, numerical expressions. 1 plus 1 is an example of a numerical expression, and it evaluates to 2. Both numerical expressions and Boolean expressions are used in coding. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's try it out in our code. Open up a new template sketch. And put the serial println function into loop with a delay as well. Now try using this expression as an input into the serial println function. Awesome. Light sensor reading, don't forget the brackets, is greater than 30. But use your threshold value you found in the last video here instead of 30. It should be in a comment in your burglar alarm sketch. Upload your code and open the serial monitor. Now try opening and closing your box. The value in the serial monitor should be 1 if the box is open and 0 if the box is closed. If it is, you can go to the next video where we're going to learn about even more Boolean expressions that you can use in your if statements. If your serial monitor value isn't changing when you open or close your box, you should try uploading your code again. If it still isn't working, double check that you've typed this line of code correctly and that you've used the threshold value you found here instead of 30, which was the one that I found. If you tried those things and the serial monitor still isn't changing between 0 and 1, depending on whether or not the box is open or closed, you probably need to find a new threshold value. This is tough, but you can do it. Rewatch the last video and try finding a new threshold value. Then watch this video again and put the new value into your sketch. Here's a tip that might help you out. If you're only seeing 1s in the serial monitor, then your threshold value is too low. And if you're only seeing 0s, then your threshold is too high. It's really important to find the right threshold value before doing the rest of the project. So keep at it.